Oh, yeah. Look,
It works. It works great.
It works. It works. It works. It works.
Nice job.
I'm a genius.
We'll let the inventor use his table. Drop him and hop up. Oh, do you need her to leave?
Well,
No, I'll stay. I've seen it before, too.
Great. You can assist. Get the peroxide and sponges from the cabinets over there. Come on. Take your pants off and get on the table. Come on. Don't be a baby.
okay, be gentle with me, okay?
Well, I'll think about it.
Yeah.
I'll be gentle.
Oh, that's cold.
Well, the cows never seem to mind. Roll over.
Roll over.
Roll over.
Do I got a milk bone? Oh. What'd you have in mind, Mary Ann?
Let's take a look.
Ah, jeez. How is it?
Well, it's not bad, but it's not great. Clean it up.
What's that? Sulfuric acid. Oh, geez, what are you doing? Oh, I hate those things.
You okay?
Fine.
Feel that?
Feel what?
Uh-huh. There it is.
What?
Sponge.
Hey, Mary Ann.
Ooh. I think you need a little fresh air.
Well, I'm fine. I'm really fine.